In this video, I'll be guiding you through the step-by-step process on how to register on the House48 platform and use the platform like a pro. So go to any browser of your choice and type in www.thehouse48.com. So you wait for the web page to load correctly. While we are waiting for the web page to load, now this is what the House48 platform looks like after the website has fully loaded. So on the top corner of the right-hand side of your website, you will see a sign-in button. Quoted in blue color, you see a sign-in button. Click on the sign-in button. Now, depending on what you hope to achieve on the website, if you intend to list your property, which is sell your property, you have to sign up as a seller. Then if your aspiration is to buy properties on the website, you have to sign up as a buyer. So in this video, I'll be signing up as a seller. So this is what our dialog page looks like. So click on your sign up as a seller. So choose your sign up as a seller account. Now fill in this form. So type in your name, your last name, then your mail. Make sure that every information you are entering are correct. So type in your name, your last name, fill in your mail, then your phone number. Then fill in your country. For this tutorial, I'll be using Nigeria. Then fill in your company's name. So if you're a sole realtor that you're not affiliated with any real estate platform, you can decide to leave that blank, that space empty. But if you are working for a real estate company, you can put in your real estate name here, your real estate company's name here. Fill it in this space. Then put your password, only known to you. So which I'll be doing mine right now. So after you've correctly filled in the correct information on these fields, click on the Realtor's terms of use. And for your own sake, I would advise that you read through the terms of use, read through. Then at the end of the page, click on accept. I agree and accept. Now, when you've done that, click on the sign up button. So sorry, I'm supposed to fill in my region. So Nigeria is in West Africa. So click on your sign up. Click on sign up and wait for the page to load. Now, after clicking on the sign up button, a verification link will be sent to your email of choice, to that email that you filled in during the registration process. So go to that mail and click on the verification link to continue. Now, a verification link has been sent to that mail that you filled in during registration process. So check your mail and click on the verification link. Then after verifying through your mail, come back to the home page. Then sign in that account, that email and your password, like I'm doing in this video. So I filled in my username and my password. Then click on the sign in button. Now this is what the seller account looks like. Now there are several features on the seller account. So we have my listings. So on my listings, it contains all your listings. In other words, it means that all the properties you've listed on the House48 platform. So in this category, in this dashboard, it shows you the list of all the properties that you've listed on the platform. Then we also have the leads. Now, this lead section shows you how many potential clients you have, buyers that have made requests on your properties, people that are interested on your properties. In this section, it shows you how many people are interested in each of the properties that you've listed on the platform. We also have the live chats, the message section of it. It allows you chats with your prospective buyers, come to a conclusive arrangement on what the expectations are, what are needed and all that. So it is in this section that all those things go on. You chat with them real time, chat with your prospective buyers or your buyers in real time. Then the analytics section of it. So in this analytics section, it's just like an overview of how your listings, your properties have been faring so far. So we have different unique features here. We have the total listings. So this total listing shows you how many properties you've listed since you joined the platform. Then we have the total leads. This total list shows you how many potential buyers that have made requests on your properties. Then we have the total favorites. It means how many people that have reacted to each of your properties, either liked them or saved them or reshared them. So this is what the analytics looks like. Then also you can also backtrack, like check how many people have made requests from the present. That's all these wonderful features that you can explore. Then my most favorite, the Dream Wallet. So this Dream Wallet allows you to save up to get be it a house, a car, electronics, anything you can think of. The Dream Wallet allows you to save up, set a goal, save up, and also refer to your friends and families and earn good incentives. So we also have the AI assistant. So this AI assistant allows you to get help real time, get support on any challenges you are facing before it is being escalated to a real life agent. So this AI assistant, basically helps you answer your questions that you don't feel comfortable asking someone else. The AI assistant helps you to do that. Then we also have the subscription section. So this subscription section allows you to upgrade your plan. So we have different plans available depending on your preference and choices. We have the free starter, the premium, and the elite. So depending on how fast you want to get your properties sold, you hop on to any package or any plan of your choice. So I advise you hop on to the elite, which I've used that. Then we also have the verification section of it, allows you to verify. And this is a very important section because these sections, if you verify your account, it gives you hedge over users, over other sellers that have not verified their account. Because when you verify your account, buyers feel more safe with accounts that are verified to accounts that are not being verified. So I always advise you to always verify your account. Make sure that you've passed all the verification processes, the verification levels, starting from the mail verifications to the ID verification and to the facial verification, which is very important. So having said that, that is how to register yourself as a bona fide seller on the House48 platform and also use the platform like a pro that you are.